I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snake.
You okay, boy?
What?
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy. Super spy!
Milo, we need to have a serious discussion. Okay, you don't have to look at me, but you're stinky and you're getting a bath today.
Alright guys, I've done everything I know to do to get famous on this TikTok app, but nothing seems to be working. I've seen this work for other people, so I'm going to give it a shot. Here's my butt.
Stop touching her, dude. She's gonna smack you. She's gonna keep smacking you.
Smoothie, what's in there? Oh,
Sweetie.
look at his little head. He's
You did not expect that.
Meat.
Look at him.
His tail.
Sweetie's so scared, yeah.
Hey bestie, watch this. No. Roll. You're so dumb. You know you love me. Not true. Do you want a hug? No, I want to fight you. Hug. Jesus, what kind of hug is that? The kind made with love. Please someone open this door, let me escape the dingus. Proof that cats are government spies. The white hair is her deactivate button. Her minion trying to stop me? Guys help, I think my cat is broken.
Oh my god, what? That's a whole cat. Am I gonna be on TikTok?
You want food?
Oh my god!
What is wrong with you?
I do for you. What would you say this one is? 3 points? 320? Just 3 balls in.
Non, encore yes. T'es pas content là? On est en crise, là? Oui, je suis.
So I heard if you give your animal an egg, it knows to take care of it because it's super fragile. Oh.